Welcome to GHA3 Mathematics. Our lesson for today is factorization of algebraic expressions. Let's look at what you should be able to do after going through the lesson successfully. By the end of the lesson, you, the learner, will be able to 1. Factorize an algebraic expression whose terms have a common factor. And here we're talking about the highest common factor. Secondly, you'll be able to factorize an algebraic expression which has simple binomials as factors. And the last but not the least, you'll be able to factorize an algebraic expression which is the difference of two squares. Let's look at the meaning of factorization. Factorization is the reverse of expansion. It means writing a number or an expression as a product of its factors. Let's look at some examples. The first example is 6. We have factors of 6 to be 1, 2, 3, and 6 itself. So we can decide to write 6 as 2 times 3. We can also write it as 1 times 6. So when we write 6 as 2 times 3, then we see if written 6 as product of its factors. We look at the second example, we have 8xy. So we can write it as 4x times y. It will give us our 8xy. Or we can also write it as 2x times 4y. It will also give us 8xy. We can even write it as 8 times xy. It depends on which factors you want to factorize. The third one is 4x squared, which can be written as 2x times 2x. Or you can also write as 4 times x squared. Like I said, it depends on what you want to factorize. We have a fourth one. We have a binomial here, 4t plus 8u. T and u have nothing in common, so they don't have any common factor. But 4 and 8 have a common factor, and the highest among the common factors will be 8. So what we do is we divide the first term by the ACF 4 to get t, and then we bring the 4 outside. Then we divide the second term by the same 4 to get 2u. We shall do more of this in the course of the lesson. Let's do a simple exercise on what has been said so far so that we continue with the lesson.